Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lisa, and in this video you'll see the full time lapse of this Lion Cub colour pencil illustration. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to see the full tutorial of this Lion Cub coming out next. If you'd like to see the rest of my colour pencil illustrations, make sure to check out my other videos or add me on Insta and look me up on Etsy. Let's get started drawing the lion.
Come pick me up 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting.